Hi, in this video, we'll discuss artificial intelligence. Often, when we think of artificial intelligence, we imagine science fiction worlds such as iRobot and 2001: A Space Odyssey. But artificial intelligence is far more broad than what you may imagine it to be. The reality is, artificial intelligence can already be found in a variety of fields and tools that we use in our everyday lives. You see and interact with artificial intelligence in your daily lives with well-known applications such as ChatGPT, Amazon Echo with Alexa, and apps on your phone such as Hey Google and Siri. You may even interact with AI more than you think. Things like Google searches, spam filters, and music apps such as Spotify all use AI. Your teacher may even be using AI to give you hints on your CodeHS problems. Whether you're consciously using AI or getting a little help from behind the scenes, the one thing that they both have in common is that they are both computer systems that are able to perform tasks that ordinarily require human intelligence. So what is intelligence? While there can be several definitions of intelligence, for the purpose of this course, we will define intelligence as the ability to make adjustments and assumptions in order to inform future decisions. When we are born, our brains are a blank slate in terms of experiences that we have had and what we can remember. As we age, our lived experiences provide us with information that we can use to inform our future decisions. As we grow older, we collect data about our own lives and the lives of others. We can think of this information as input that we are given to our brain. Through each of these experiences and anecdotes that we go through or collect, our brain processes and stores information for the future. We make assumptions about what each data point means and use that to draw conclusions about how we should act in the future or save them until a situation comes up again. The result is a series of understanding about the world around us based on our lived experiences and the things that have been communicated to us. If someone does well on a test every time they study a couple days before, then they've learned that they should study a few days before so that they can do well. If our experience was different, say they were able to ace an exam by studying just the night before, then this would affect the output or our understanding of how to proceed the next time that we're put in that situation. The ability to make adjustments and assumptions to inform current and future decisions is how many define intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the idea that computers can make some of the same intelligent decisions. AI relies on the same notion about experience. As computer programs receive input from the outside world, they are able to process this input to make conclusions about the world and then adjust its behavior as a result of these experiences. For example, if a user on a phone continually rejects autocorrect for the word LOL, AI recognizes that LOL is a word that it is intended to use. As a result, it may adjust its assumptions and decide to stop suggesting other words when the user types LOL into their phone. This process of learning from experience and adjusting behaviors constitutes intelligence. There are many uses of artificial intelligence. You will have an opportunity to explore two of these. The first is predictive AI. Predictive AI uses what it has learned to predict an outcome. Some examples of predictive AI are things like weather forecasts, healthcare diagnostics, and recommendation systems. Perhaps more popular are generative AIs. Generative AIs are used to generate new content such as text, art, or even gaming content. Applications such as ChatGPT can be used to create things like paragraphs, stories, and even poetry. Deep Dream is an AI that can create surreal images from existing photos. AI has generated a stir in the movie industry. AI can play a role in writing movies and TV show scripts, but it can also be used to create new scenes with actors. In the 2023 film Indiana Jones and the Dial of Destiny, a generative AI was used to re-age actor Harrison Ford and make him look 40 years younger. Now it's your turn to explore some AI applications.